I've put it off, but I've decided to tackle my squint rear mudguard. This shows the problem with the rear mudguard. There's the original tag for the mudguard to go onto, and someone has welded this further out onto the right hand side. So really I've got to take that off and try and maybe weld back onto that. We'll see. Well, the first thing to do is to get that back wheel off yet again and then try and get the mudguard out. I couldn't get the wheel out as it was like this. The bike was just too low. So do you know what you do if you've got a puncture by the side of the road? So I had to raise the bike up onto a block to give myself some room to wiggle the back wheel out. Now this is near the limits of my courage, having to grind off a part of an old frame. It just seemed criminal to do it. The old bracket is out. It was actually brazed in and not welded in. And here's a quickly lashed together new bracket. Now, I'm not a great welder. I never get the heat right on welding, but I can get it good enough just to stay in. The right hand mounting hole in the mudguard ended up in about the right position, but I had to re-drill a new hole for the left hand side, so I had to build the back of the bike back up again just to mark the hole. I think the position of the mudguard is a bit better now. The wheel in the centre